Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Class first year, subject Maths, lecture number 13, part number 2. In this lecture we discuss exercise 2.2, last question. Firstly, solving question number 5. Using the Venn diagram, if necessary, find the single set equal to the following. First part is A complement. A complement means minus universal set from A. We are making a rectangle set, universal set U, and making a subset A. Represent the dotted line just in the universal set, not include the part of A subset. Part number 2 is A intersection universal set, which thing common between the universal set and the A, just the part of A subset. So just put dotted point in the subset A. Third part is A union U. So in this case, all the points included, all the points of universal set and all the points of A. Now next part, A union phi. A union phi, in this case there is a no part include, because not the point of A include, not the point of empty set include. Empty set means a set who has no element but A has some element, so we just put point on the A subset. And fifth part, phi intersection phi, in this diagram there is no point because just including universal set. Phi intersection phi is also a phi. Next, question number 6. Use Venn diagram to verify the following. Firstly, solving part number 1, which is A minus B equals to A intersection B complement. Firstly, making the diagram of A minus B in such a way that make a rectangle universal set U and two subsets A and B such that both overlaps to each other. Just put the dotted point in the subset A, not include the point where both A and B subset meet. And A intersection B complement, in this case elements of B is not included and all other points of universal set and subset A is included. And as the shaded portion in the above two figures is same, so it's mean that left hand side, right hand sides are equal. Part number 2 is your assignment. Part number 3 is solved here, which is A minus B complement, whole complement intersection B is equals to B. Firstly, making A minus B complement, whole complement intersection B. Its diagram is shown on your screen, and then show just B. As the shaded portion in the above two figure is same, so it's mean that our left hand side and our right hand side is equal. So here our lecture is complete. We will inshallah meet into the next lecture. Thanks students for watching.